Hello and welcome to Chart TV for the 1st of November 2005. Today we're going to revisit the S&P ASX 200, the XJO, which is the benchmark stock market index here in Australia. Okay, we've seen some rather interesting action on the XJO lately. Recently I called for the market to retest 4,300, which it has done here. This big fat tail here indicates a reversal. Interestingly, the market is starting to look a little bullish again. Why do I say that? Because the MACD has turned down, hooked down, made what I feel will be a low for this move, and then starting to hook up again. We can see that the last time that the MACD was at these levels was at the May low, and after the market consolidated around this low, it took off, broke the previous record high, and then broke into an consolidated around these at the new high, then took off into an uptrend again. I feel that this market will, at the worst, consolidate and at best probably break 4,500, then start to have a look at having a crack at that previous high of around 4,700, which is the record high. Interestingly, the Bollinger Bands, market has come down to retest, touch the lower Bollinger Band, and now the Bollinger Band is starting to hook up. This is bullish. So we've got the MACD hooking up, Bollinger Band hooking up. We got signs of a reversal here. We've got the market starting to make higher highs and higher lows, and looks like 4,500 is within sight. Interestingly, in this down move here, volume contracted. So volume in the long run, it dropped down. So that indicated that less and less people were willing to sell as price dropped and dropped. And now it's starting to kick up a bit again. So with volume kicking up as we start to make higher highs and higher lows, this is also another bullish sign. Another thing to point out is that October is over. October is usually, a lot of the old timers sit the market out in October. They have long memories of crashes in 1929, 87, 89 to a degree, and their saying is October till May, then stay away. Markets often make lows in October, and it looks like this may hold true for this year. It looks like we may have seen the low for the year, the recent low for quite some time here in October, and now October's over. We're moving into November, Christmas rally time. Markets tend to rally through November through to March, and often make highs in March. It did it this year. Here we go, we have the high in March 2002, another major high was made. 2000, another major high. So we tend to see highs in March and lows in October, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's the case for this 05-06 coming year. Another thing to look at is a 20-period exponential. The market touched it, it acted as resistance, pulled back, and now it's starting to crack through it. One of the last times it did this was over here when it broke through the, started to break into an uptrend after the April-May low. So another bullish sign. So all in all, this market's looking bullish. I'd expect it to break or have a crack at 4,500 within the next few days, probably tomorrow, I imagine. Now that Melbourne will be open now that the cup's over. Well done to Maccabi Diva. Yeah, there you have it. Looks like we're about to have a crack at 4,500. The low. If not, the next low, I'd be looking for the market to retest. Say it reverses and for some reason does look to retest this low, I'd keep an eye on the 4,300 level. So we'll see how we go. But things are looking pretty bullish for the Aussie market. I wouldn't be too surprised to see this market rallying into November, December, January and February. Righty-ho, that's Chart TV for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.